in that board, and he is also entitled for service benefit. To that effect, he is also produced judgment of this court in writ petition 104865 of 2018, disposed of on 21st January.
Consequential benefits, both in Supreme Court judgment and writ appeal.
No, that writ appeal is against which judgment? Pandit or Chandan Gowda. Adu of 2020. ಆಮೇಲೆ Supreme Court judgment. The second issue here, this court in 10465 of 2018 on 21st January 2020 also consider that similar provisions of KCS are in the case that employee of civil court as appointed in the post of police constable.
He was police constable. He was appointed first division assistant.
Yes, in the case of police constable, he was later appointed as an so learned counsel appearing for the respondent has submitted that once the petitioner has submitted a resignation which has been accepted by the board, he cannot seek over the lien on the post held in that board. If take an appointment in that electricity board,
PD.
In
Panchayat development.
no, you have given a permission for Panchayat development.
Yes.
No, we have not given, my lord. He is informed, that's all.
No,
We
they have.
recorded.
They have.
Yes,
No permission as such.
yes.
We've recorded.
You have given a permission. Yes. No, that I will not take that. Yes. He further
Annexure
contended
GL
that.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Further contended that any employee, any board employee, if is resigned, is after taking a permission only if for an appointment to another post in the board, that case can be considered for reappointment under 189B1. The petitioner has appointed in Panchayat Raj department, he cannot seek benefit under 189B1. Hence, he sought for to file an application. As per Annexure E, dated 28 September 2016, the board has given a permission to the petitioner to file an application to the post of PDO. Wide Annexure F on 19/5/2018, petitioner was appointed as a PDO in which Panchayat?
Shirali Gram Panchayat.
Shiradi Gram Panchayat, Batkala,
Yes.
for a probationary period of 2 years. Before probationary period has to be declared, petitioner has submitted a representation with Annexure G,
K, my lord, page 33.
with Annexure K. Seeking permission to,
Within 4 months.
yes, within 4 months from date of resignation, he is seeking permission to reappointment in the board as a junior assistant and seeking all and counts of his service.
Continuation.
There is continuation of service. Regulation
Just may I submit this one. While submitting representation, I asked only to come back. Now I am seeking for continuation of service.
Yes, seeking file annexure K to it is very clear that even though if the employee resign that service in the board to take an appointment, take another appointment, till his service is to be suspended, if still his probationary period has to be declared, his lien will continue, is under suspension, is suspended in the board.
Lien will continue, will not be suspended. Is
Yes,
what?
yes, cannot be suspended. Yes, lien will continue in that board service. Rule regulation 19F2 has been extracted below. By reading as per regulation 189A subclass B1,
189B1. Here.
180, if any employee of the board, after taking proper permission for another appointment,
Rule 20 note F. Rule 20F note 4.
Rule 20 note F4 extracted, and also
252B.
252B.
B.
Same is extracted below. This court as well as apex court has considered that above provision in the case of WP 8136 of 2020, after considering that similar provision in that KCSR, this court has held, which is the paragraph, para 18.
18 and 19.
18, 19 and 21 extracted. This judgment has been confirmed by the division bench in writ appeal 596 of 2020. Even the apex court in 2023 live law SC 748 has also considered that same provision,
19, 20 and 21.
paragraph 90 and 20. Considering that above provision and the judgment of this court as well as apex court, probationary period has been declared. He sought for reappointment in the board. In view of that, regulation 19, his lien is continued in the board. Contrary to that, the above provision, the impugn endorsement has been issued. Accordingly, that requires to be quashed. Writ petition is allowed. Impugn endorsement is quashed. Respondent reconsider the representation of the petitioner by the annexure
Came.
A Keeping in view of the observation made by this court in this petition.
Let's make,
This one, my lord.
Huh?
If as on today, if he is declared,
I am not said he is only consideration, it is for you.
let's move.
You pass any order, then if it is agreed, he will come back. Yes.
Let's, if that is so much, they will give benefit prospectively, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Will come back. We'll
Let's
see.
mention one line where he is entitled ಅಂತ.
No, that is not that relief. Let him first decide that, then we'll see. Yes.
pending application.
All pending applications are disposed of.
That's one line, let's continuity, he is entitled for continuity
No.
of service.
I said, in view of the judgment, he has to be considered.
entered into services
Hmm.
in the municipalities as a toll gate peon
Hmm.
on 13/1/1977.
Hmm.
And later he was promoted up to the cadre of first division assistant in municipality of Dodbalapura.
Hmm.
Therefore, my lord, he is an employee of the municipality and he is not a civil servant.
Now, what is the post now we are holding?
Revenue,
Revenue
the first
inspector.
division assistant or revenue inspector
Revenue inspector in where?
in the municipality.
Municipality revenue inspector.
He retired, now he, my lord, he retired, my lord, in the year 2013.
No,
Till
there is
he-
a revenue inspector post in the municipality also.
Please,
Revenue inspector post in the municipality also.
please. Therefore, my lord, he is not a civil servant.
No, if it is in a municipalities, then he is a municipality employee.
Therefore, I filed the petition before
Yes,
this court.
revenue inspector, we thought that there is a revenue inspector in that revenue
Ah,
department.
revenue department. No,
He is not.
filed the petition before
Yes,
this court.
revenue inspector, we thought that there is a revenue inspector in that revenue
Ah,
department.
revenue department.
He
No,
is not.
not.
Yes. Yes, what is this matter, Mr.?
Sir, this is a case of, my lord, the reduction of pension for a 25% of the pension. And some other day, we will argue the case.
Yes, leave this matter. After 2 weeks,
Date.
on 13th. Yes.
And I brought the judgments also, but the
No.
lordship is aware, therefore.
Revenue inspector, we thought it is submitted at the bar that learned council, Deji Somiyaji is no more. Issue court notice, which the idu panchayat idu?
Panchayat, Jilla Panchayat.
Ramnagar yaru illo, Nagarajappa irrilva, Nagaraja? Where is he? He will take notice, because the problem is that old matter, file will not available. Okay, notice, we will issue notice. Issue court notice to respondent number 2. Yes.
Serial number 40, Sharath S. Gowda for petitioner, GB Sharath Gowda.
Yes.
For the petitioner.
Yes.
Citations of book one.
Lord, the predecessors of the petitioners, my lord,
Hmm.
were initially, my lord,
Hmm.
were initially appointed as daily wage employees, as gangmen
Hmm.
in the respondent Muda, my lords.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lords, they have been absolved as regular employees.
Yes.
My lords, Annexure A series are the documents which indicate that the predecessors of the petitioners have been absolved as regular employees. If your lordship comes to page 18,
Yes.
your lordship will see at serial number 2 the name of one Kariyappa.
Yes.
He is the father of the first petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
He has been absolved as regular employee in terms of the decision on 12/9/1984
Yes.
by the Muda. Similarly, my lords, in respect of the other petitioners, their predecessors, my lords, their resolution is at annexure B, C and D.
Yes.
For instance, my lords, insofar as Varalakshmi, her father is Puttaraju, he is at serial number 7,
Yes.
10, 14, likewise, my lords.
Yes.
I'll not point out each of them.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lords, therefore, my lords, by annexure A to D series,
Hmm.
the predecessors of the petitioners have been regularized
Yes.
and absolved as permanent employees of Muda.
Yes.
My lords, and annexure E is the document where, my lords, they have been extended with the benefit of this record pertaining to each of the predecessor of the petitioners.
Yes.
This opening of the service book shows that they were permanent employees. Because, my lords, in case of temporary employees, the question of opening service book does not arise.
Yes.
Then, your lordship, on death of these predecessors, my lords, the petitioners filed application under the Karnataka compassionate appointment rules
Yes.
to be appointed on compassionate grounds, my lords.
Yes.
within the stipulated time of 1 year, my lords. There is no quarrel about that fact. But my lords, on filing of these applications, immediately they were not considered, my lords. We kept on moving the authorities to consider our application for appointment on compassionate grounds.
Yes.
My lords, in the year 2018, wide annexure H, page 60,
Yes.
to discuss this, my lords, a meeting was conducted in the board of Muda.
Yes.
Your lordship will see at page 62, the names of all these predecessors of the petitioner is noted.
Yes.
Then, my lords, at page 67,
Yes.
in the middle portion, I will read this portion, my lords.
Yes.
ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 1ರಿಂದ 9ರವರೆಗಿನ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ಸಭೆಯ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಕೆಗೆ ಮಂಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಕೋರಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ಅನುಮೋದಿತ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಜಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ನೌಕರಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ಪಡೆಯುವುದು ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ಪಡೆಯುವುದು ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದಲೂ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕಂಪದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೃತ ನೌಕರರ ಅವಲಂಬಿತರ ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದೂಡುವುದು ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ 95 ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿ ವೃಂದದ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳು ಆಯಾ ನೌಕರರ ಮರಣ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ತರುವಾಯ ರದ್ದಾಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ಕೋರಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣ ಬಂದಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದಲೂ ಸಹ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕಂಪ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೃತ ನೌಕರರು ಅವಲಂಬಿತರ ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದೂಡುವುದು ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್, ನಿರ್ಣಯ. ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ಪಡೆಯುವುದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸದರಿಯವರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಯಂ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶವಿಲ್ಲದ ಕಾರಣ ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳು ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಣೆ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ ಸದರಿಯವರನ್ನು ಹೊರಗುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮೂಲಕ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. Therefore, my lords, all the petitioners were taken into employment on temporary ad hoc basis.
Yes.
Because they postponed the decisions regarding appointing these petitioners on compassionate grounds because of the doubts which they have raised at serial number 1 and 2 at page 67 and 68.
Yes.
The first is, they say as per this, out of which 95 posts have been showed as temporary post and 32 posts have been shown as permanent post.
Yes.
Well, the C&R rules came into force only in the year 2004.
Yes.
And these persons, my lords, we have been observed as regular employees even prior to 2000, from 1994 itself. That is what I pointed out as annexure A to D series.
Yes.
Now, my lords, the second ground they are raising is that under compassionate appointment rules, they point out, my lords, to rule 4 subclause 5.
Yes.
Which says appointment shall be made only against a direct recruitment vacancy. Lords, therefore they are quoting that your predecessor was not permanent employee. Lords, firstly I will have to convince your lordship that my predecessors
Appointment shall be made only against that direct recruitment vacancy. Not that your employer, your father is in temporary or permanent. If your appointment only against the direct vacancies is there. See, appointment shall be made only against, your appointment shall be made only against that
direct recruitment vacancy. It's not, that means, my lord,
it's not that whether you are there should be a direct recruitment vacancy, there it will be appointed.
That is what it means. Yes. My lords, till date, my lords, insofar as that,
yes,
my respectful submission is till not even a single direct recruitment till date.
No, is there any vacancy under that C&R?
Vacancies are there.
Show me that.
Please,
there is, see what
there.
Show me that.
Please,
there is, see what law says. If there is any vacancy,
Yes, vacancies
then
are
only
there.
you have to be appointed for this thing, because you cannot claim as a matter of right.
I
Yes.
totally.
Where is that vacancies in that MUDA?
My lords, now in response to this,
Yes,
they filed their statement of objection.
yes.
If your lordship takes the statement of objections. my lords.
Yes,
Your lordship may kindly take para 3 onwards. my lords.
yes,
The respective fathers of petitioners were appointed by then City Improvement Trust Board on temporary basis. Pursuant thereto, this respondent was established in 1987 under Karnataka.
now what is that endorsement they have issued now?
They have not issued any endorsement, my lords.
Let them say.
Lord, in
Why
fact,
this-
no, no.
Lords,
In
now
fact, my
they have
lord, we
answered in
written to
their.
the state government. My lord, there is no post available. In fact, my lord, if my lord would kindly see annexure,
You tell them by issuing an endorsement.
annexure R6 may be kindly seen. Page number 26. My lord, in the first place, my lord, the services of the predecessor of the petitioner was never confirmed or regularized. For all practical purpose, my lord, all the benefit that is payable to the regular employees was extended to them. That is the, in fact, my lord, before I take my lords through annexure R6, if I may persuade my lord to kindly come back to annexure H, which my learned friend read out, it would be relevant. That is the discussion that has taken place in the board. Kindly come back to page number 60, my lord. Annexure H. My lord, only the conclusion part was read by my learned friend. Annexure H, my lord, page number 60.
Yes,
My lord, may come back, kindly come to page number 61.
yes,
Point number 3 may be kindly seen.
yes,
ಆದಾಗ್ಯೂ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ನೌಕರಗಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಅನುಕಂಪದ ಆಧಾರದ ನೌಕರಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೋರಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಡಿ ವೃಂದದ ನೌಕರರುಗಳ ಹುದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ದಿನಾಂಕ 10/1/94ರಂದು ಹೊರಡಿಸಲಾಗಿರುವ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಆದೇಶದಂತೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಕರಿಕ್ತ ಪದ ಸೂಪರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸುವ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲೀನಗೊಳಿಸತಕ್ಕದ್ದೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಮೂಡ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ದಿನಾಂಕ 21/12 ಈ ವರ್ಗದ ನೌಕರರುಗಳು ದೀರ್ಘ ಕಾಲದ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಕಾಯಂ ವೇತನ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಂಜೂರತಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರುವ ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರುವುದರಿಂದಲೂ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಸಿಎಸ್ ನಿಯಮಾವಳಿಯನ್ನು ಅನ್ವಯಿಸಿ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ರಜೆ, ಗೃಹ ಮಂಗಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇವರುಗಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯಂ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವರ ವೇತನವನ್ನು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಅವ್ಯವಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದೆ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಣಯವಾಗಿರುವ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರುಗಳ ದಿಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಇವರುಗಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯಂ ಸೇವೆಯಂದೇ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿ ಈ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್. But my lord, since we had returned to the state government, requesting them to confirm their services, my lord, which was never confirmed by the state government. Kindly come back to my lord. Now, if I may persuade my lord to kindly come to annexure J for a moment. This is what the state government would say. Annexure J for a moment. This is what the state government would say.
yes.
Lord, on receiving the representation from the petitioners, my lord, we wrote to the state government, annexure J, page number 69. This is what they would say. They would basically say, my lord, take a decision at your end, whether to appoint them on ad hoc basis or on a permanent basis. Now, my lord, may kindly come to annexure R6.
No, my lords, annexure J may be read, my lords, for a moment. Before.
Yes, my lord. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿತ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಕಮ.
I'm not an ಅನುಕಂಪದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ. What has happened to their parents' appointment? You have sent in a proposal.
True, my lord. We sent a proposal. We never received a confirmation because, my lord, there is no. In fact, my lord, as per C&R, produced the pattern. It is at annexure R6 may be kindly seen, my lord.
The state says now it is with the local bodies itself. That is within the powers of the MUDA
That
itself.
is for appointment on compassionate ground. It's second part.
It is the second part.
First part, your regulation says that since they are working, you have said that it has
we have basically in that resolution, my lord, what we have said, considering the fact, my lord, that they have been working for more than 15 years, all the benefits that is extended ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಗಿನ್ಷನ್
ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಗಿನ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಪೇ ದ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್
Yes,
ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್?
that is.
Our
Clearly
only
placed.
defense is that compassionate appointment can be given against that direct recruitment vacancy. Is there any vacancies or not? If
No,
there
it is not. Annexure R6 may be kindly.
There is no vacancy if you can continue on the contract basis.
My
Now
lord,
that-
may
that
kindly
is the
come
only-
back, come to annexure R6, page number 26. Lord, we wrote it to the state government, which is dated, my lord, 22/7/2019.
Annexure?
R6, my lord, page number 26.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly come to page number 27.
R6 in your, this.
Statement of objections, my lord.
Yes. Yes. Page?
Page number 26, please.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, may kindly come to, this is what I wrote to the state government.
Yes.
Kindly come to, in regards to the appoint last column.
Yes.
ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳು 2004 ಅನ್ವಯ ಡಿ ವೃಂದದ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳು ಈ ಕೆಳಗಂಡಂತೆ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. Given the pattern.
Yes.
Now kindly come to, my lord, in that ಕಾಯಂ 32 ಇದೆ, ಟೆಂಪರರಿ 95 ಇದೆ, ಒಟ್ಟು 127 ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಮನ್.
No, that ಕಾಯಂ 32 ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದಾವ?
ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That's what I wrote in the next paragraph.
Yes.
ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಅವಗಾಹನೆಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿರುವ ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ವಯ 95 ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ನೌಕರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದಿಂದ ಪಿಂಚಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಟುಂಬ ಪಿಂಚಣಿಯನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರುವುದರಿಂದ, my lord may kindly observe, this is what I write. I said ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ವಯ 95 ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, that is even on temporary, right? I said ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ವಯ 95 ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, that is even on temporary basis ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ 95 ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ನೌಕರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದಿಂದ ಪಿಂಚಣಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಪಿಂಚಣಿಯನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರು.
Wherever that 32 is reducing, 95 will join to that 32.
Sure, but
therefore there are no vacancies.
In fact, my lord, in fact, I would write to the state government 95 post ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಯಂ ಮಾಡಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಕಾಯಂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೇನೆ. And I have not received any.
That increasing of sanction strength.
My lord,
what is that permission you have obtained?
No, I have not received any response from the state government in so far as
That
this
there is
annexure
no
is
vacancy.
My lords, your lordship may kindly see my rejoinder, my lords, to their.
Because they have already have an
My lord,
access
now, my lords, one thing is clear, that my predecessors were permanent employees,
Yes,
there is
yes.
no quarrel
Now
about
there
it.
is no vacancy, that is what that there.
Your lordship may kindly come to the rejoinder.
Yes.
There, I have at annexure P, page 18, my lords.
Eighteen.
Yes, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, this is the seniority list as on 13/2/2004
Yes.
relating to this very same cadre of gangman.
Yes.
Your lordship may kindly turn over to next page. 19 and 20.
Yes.
My lords, here, first 32 persons, my lords, there is absolutely no basis. As against this, there is no shara in the last column. After 32, from 33 onwards, they keep on saying that udde tatkalika. Now here also your lordship may kindly see it, serial number 26. In respect of one Ilyas Pasha.
There is no vacancy
My
in
lords,
this post.
my lords, if this is the case, my lords.
Therefore, they have given on contract basis.
In fact, my lord, we have nothing over there as against the petitioner.
No, that.
What is the case of the petitioner?
See,
My lords, my lords,
no, they have made so many effort. See that increasing the cadre strength. See that you all people can be regularized in the set. That has not been sanctioned by the government.
my lords, for this, my
At
lords,
least they are doing that. They are paying everything. They are
But
adjusting that
not-
whenever there is any vacancies arises to that.
my lord, not for the petitioners, my lords. They were paying everything to my predecessors.
No, that is what that your petitioner will be get it in that regular service when it is vacancies arises.
Lords, your lordship may now kindly consider.
Then you will getting benefit only after that, but still before that only they are started giving that.
Lords, your lordship may kindly consider this.
Yes.
Now, if that is the case, my lords, till date there could not be any appointment through compassionate appointment, my lords. But on death, they are giving compassionate appointment.
Where is that?
Your lordship may kindly take the memo dated 15/2/2025.
Where is that?
If they do this, my lords, on parity, I am entitled.
Yes, that will see. When that memo was filed?
15/2/2025.
Yes.
Here, my lords, your lordship may kindly come to page 5.
Yes.
May I read this, man?
Yes.
ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋಮಲಿಂಗರ್ ಅವರು ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 12/12/84ರಿಂದಲೂ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ನೌಕರರಾಗಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/9/2017ರಂದು ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. He is also gang man, my predecessors are also gang man. ಇವರ ವಾರ್ಸ್.
Sir, you are given a.
Yes. Now how can they deny, my lords, to the
This,
petitioner?
insofar as this is concerned, my lord, I need to find out whether he was a permanent employee or on a temporary basis. Mr. Somlinga, if he
No,
was,
this copy is not served to him.
Served, my lords.
it is served, my lord, so I need to take
Verify that.
instruction.
How
Insofar as this
can
is
they given
concerned.
a discrimination to that other person?
My lords, now that apart, my lords, we are working from 2017. The time has changed, my lords. The Supreme Court now in recent decision, it is coming down heavily upon the state
Not
authorities using Umadevi as a shield to extract ad hoc or daily wage employment. It is saying that if you have taken service for 8 long years, 10 long years, you cannot extract employment on exploitative terms. We have to be observed as regular employees.
Yes,
Here, my
we'll
lord.
see. First, let him verify that.
My lord, insofar as this document is concerned, if I may persuade my lord to kindly take the document, page number 5. Kindly see the second paragraph. My lord, the resolution is, we specifically say that his services were regularized. Shri Somalinga gangman naukararanu ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮಂಡಳಿ CITB ನಾನಲ್ಲ ನನಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದ್ದ CITB ಅವರು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮಂಡಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುವ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯಂ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರದ ಕಚೇರಿ ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿಯಂತೆ ಮಂಡಳಿ ನಿರ್ಣಯ 84ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸದರಿ ನೌಕರರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಚೇರಿ ಆದೇಶ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/10/84ರಿಂದ ಕಾಯಂಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿ ಆದೇಶ ಹೊರಡಿಸಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. That I'll produce. ಸದರಿ ಕಚೇರಿ ಆದೇಶದ
Here also they have.
Now your lordship, same order, 110/1984 only, annexure A, B and C. If your lordship comes to annexure A and B.
No, yes.
Here also same. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡಂತ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/10/84ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯಂಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. Same.
Yes, you verify that.
I'll take instructions insofar as this is concerned.
If that is the case, then either you have to withdraw for him also. You can't give this because there is
You
no.
cannot seek parity.
Thing is that you have, that is what
My
the
lord, in
Supreme Court.
para 14
para 13,
of
my lord,
Umadevi's case, my lord, this very question is answered. If we allow equality in illegality, it would amount to jettisoning the constitutional
No, that
scheme.
is say in respect of the different persons. If there is a similarly situated
Similar
person,
ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ, similar, I will read it.
then, my lord, even then, if
otherwise it is
arbitrary.
unguided arbitrary power given.
my lord, in that scenario,
Whomever they
my
want,
lord,
they will regularize.
in that scenario,
You will say that appointment has to go.
My lord, in case of
My
UGC, University of Agricultural Sciences,
Yes, yes.
in fact, this
Your
came
your
to a
lordship,
court.
this Malati Das, my lords, para 13.
Allowed to exercise by that authority. Either you have to go that or you have to be given that
But
opportunity.
insofar as that is concerned, my lord, I have to take instructions merely because, my lord, if I have committed an error in extending that benefit to the other employee, that doesn't make the petitioner to stand on a better footing. At the end of the day, my lord, that whatever the benefit, perhaps, my lord, that requires to be challenged, that has to be withdrawn if at all. But that doesn't mean that the petitioners will be entitled for the same relief before this honorable court.
Yes,
Para
that we'll
13,
see
my
that.
lord.
First you get that.
I'll get the records insofar as that is concerned. In fact, my lord, if the strict rules had been followed, my lord, the petitioner would not have been even entitled for compassionate appointment because their predecessors were never regularized.
No,
My
therefore,
lord, the state
no,
government,
Mr. Council, that ends there.
correct.
Now he is showing that similarly situated person has been given. Why you are favoring one person, that court wants to the.
That I'll place the
My
record
lord,
before this
even on
honorable
that point, my lord, there is not just Umadevi's decision which addresses that point. Even in a subsequent decision in Upendra Singh's case, it should not be a favor doled out to somebody. My lord, public employment is
But
not a
if-
favor
if-
for some officer to give it to somebody. My lord,
Lord, the service
there are a lot of benefits which follow from a
But the
public
service
appointment,
jurisprudence has
like
changed,
security
my
of
lords.
tenure, retiral benefits, all that cannot be given away by some appointing authority, contrary to the constitutional scheme.
That's
That
what-
is addressed both in Umadevi's case
No,
as well as
that is
Upendra
what,
Singh.
that is what done in that one case. Should he not satirize that?
Indeed, my lord, it has to be.
My
In
lord,
fact,
I'll take
in the
instructions
case,
insofar as that is concerned, my lord.
Yes, let us see. Let it
That resolution clearly says that,
Named in my rejoinder at para 6, I have mentioned
To
the names
answer
of
that-
10 persons.
Yes.
All of them who have been appointed on compassionate grounds. Why discrimination? Not one person, 10 persons.
Where you will get that direct recruitment vacancy for them, Mr. When it is not available for them.
That I need to verify, my lord.
Yes,
Insofar as these employees are concerned, I'll take instructions. I'll place it before this honorable court.
Yes.
And now, my
What
lords,
is
the law, my lords, it's not the same as it was.
Adun
Let him
ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ
get
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
that.
We will answer to that. Let him
Yes.
demonstrate judgments.
Yes.
I'll place
Yes,
it. Lord,
21.
kindly grant me 2 weeks time, my lord, since it
My lords,
pertains to 84.
Short, now that your lordship has,
84 is seeking the document pertaining to the year 84. I need to
Yes,
take
at the request of counsel for respondent number
3, my lord.
3.
Please.
Is this matter of 2 weeks. You
2
get
weeks.
that instruction.
Please, my lord.
lords, your
I'll place
lordship
it before this.
your lordship may make this as parted, my lords.
No parted, yes. We'll see if it is come before me again, I will hear. Otherwise, no parted.
Lords,
Yes.
any date, my lords, before 2 weeks, my lords, please.
2 weeks,
Lords.
13th, 14th.
14th.
14th October. Yes.
Please. Grateful.
Seal number 41, Tyagaraja as per
41, my
petitioner.
lord.
J. Nagaraja.
Last occasion, Lords of Direct.
Tyagaraja as per
41, my
petitioner.
lord.
J. Nagaraja.
Last occasion, Lords of directed me to file objection, my lord.
Hmm.
Yesterday, day before yesterday, we filed wakalat, my lord. Lordship kindly.
Who is appearing? Where is Tyagraj?
Tyagaraj, my lord, he has informed me in the morning.
Yes.
that,
At the request of counsel for respondent number.
Therefore, I have
Yes.
sought for quashing of that and extend the benefit on par with government employees. One prayer. Second is, these people, though continued, have not been regularized on the ground that there is no sanctioned post. My lord.
Hmm.
Therefore, I have sought for a direction for regularization. In
No,
support
that
of the
is-
same.
You are, in view of the Uma Devi, you are not entitled to. Uma Devi, you are not entitled to protect your interest. This enactment has been brought.
That is no more, my lord, in subsequent decisions of the dishonorable court as also that of the apex court. That is not permissible is the contention. Kindly come to the document at annexure E, page number 30. Because by this we are not getting any pensionary benefits, my lord. What has happened is we are born and dead as employees without anything, even pensionary benefits. That and dead as employees without anything, even pensionary benefits. That is not permissible. Kindly come to lot of much water has flown. Annexure E, page number 30, my lord.
Annexure E,
Extent of
page.
30.
Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
these are the cases where who are working as ad hoc employees, they retired also, pensionary benefits were not given. The Honorable Apex Court held, my lord, it is unfortunate that the state continued to take the services of the respondent as ad hoc for nearly 30 years and thereafter now to contend that as the services rendered by the respondent are ad hoc, he is not entitled for pensionary benefits. The state cannot be permitted to take the benefit of its own wrong. Kindly under the, my lord, we are society, we are gave injustice to the state makes a mistake. This cannot take its own advantage. For example, cadre and recruitment rules say this is the mode of recruitment. They say notify the vacancies, make recruit.
Yes.
My lord, I agree, my lord. If I am regularized, I am not, that pensionary benefits becomes a secondary because the moment I complete 10 years, I will be regularized. This is only to show subsequently how the apex court has treated the action of the state in taking services and denying them the benefits. For that reason, I am pointing out this. Now come to regarding the other prayer of regularization. Admittedly, we are all persons who have worked as members of the association. Details I have given are persons who have worked for more than 3 decades, and their cases have been brought under this Direct Welfare Act, but they are not been regularized till date. Therefore, my
No.
lord, in a similar case, my lord,
No,
the
Mr.
association filed a
Now, who are your member? Where is their service particulars to
I have
consider
given,
that whether they have
I have
completed? How can they file an
My lord, I
association?
have given all the details. My lord, I have filed a detailed statement regarding that. Your lordship may kindly see, my lord.
No, where is,
Kindly see, my
who
lord, I
are
have filed
that?
my lord, kindly see, I have filed a memo on 11/12/2023 in persons of the orders of this honorable court, giving the full details of the members of the association as to how, from what date they are working in the department, my lord. In the not department, they are working on daily wage because my learned friend has stated that we are not holding civil court. Therefore, we cannot go to the KAT because it is their own objection statement that we are not holding any civil court. Kindly, your lordship, get the memo filed members of the list on 11/12/2023, my lord, on the basis of the orders of this honorable court, there was a list filed as to who are the persons who are members of the association and from what date they are working.
There should be a detail upon
Respect of each and every employee.
Mr. Rangnath.
Yes,
Now,
Yes,
who
my
are
lord.
that persons whom you want to regularize? Where is their details? Where is their service
that-
records?
my lord,
This
memo
is
filed
allowed.
on 11.
All employees in Karnataka has to be regularized, mister. Where is
Not like
detail?
that, not like that. The members of the association, my lord, members of the association who
Where is that details of that employee?
that is there, my lord. Along with that memo, I have given that details, my lord.
Will serve it.
Along with the memo, I have given the full details of member, date of appointment.
No, it should be in that
If the court is not having
petition.
that.
It should be in the petition with the pleading.
Petition, I have,
Yes, you do.
petition,
There
I
is
have
no
stated that all the
representation for a
members of the association.
Mandamusಗೆ representation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, at the request of counsel for the respondent, leave this matter after 2 weeks. So, request of petitioner.
Cell number 43, Giridhar SP for petitioner.
Yes.
Senator
Lords,
Appeal.
petition only for mandamus to consider my representation for pension.
Yes.
My lords, my husband superannuated on the 28th of February 2000.
Which department?
Electricity, KPTCL.
I appear for respondents 1 and 2, my lords.
Your our retirement benefit has not been given.
My lords, my husband superannuated on the 28th of February 2014, my lords.
Yes.
He died on 14th of August 2020.
Yes. Yes.
My lords, my representation at Annexure C is 5 days after his death, my lords. 4 days on 19th of August 2020, I have given it, my lords.
2020.
Yes, my lords.
Yes,
We
madam.
waited for 2 years. Then we filed this petition.
You consider his representation and take decision. She is without any, even pension is not paid.
No, my lords, she has some medical issues now, my lords. So we had to move the matter, my lords.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
My lords,
You have not made him as a party.
I've made, my lords, the executive engineer is the person who has to ultimately grant it, my lords.
Who is appearing for R3?
Lords, it is, but
Shant P. Pandit.
Yes, will dispose of with direction to. Yes.
please, my lords.
In this writ petition, petitioner sought following relief. Case of the petitioner that her husband, Chokkalingam, Chokkalingam was working as an assistant engineer in respondent number 1 corporation. He attained superannuation on 28/2/2014. Thereafter, he is getting pension.
He was getting pension.
Yes.
I produced the pension order also.
Thereafter,
In fact, my name is also part of the
pension has
pension
been
order.
sanctioned to the petitioner husband. Petitioner husband has died on when
14th of August 2000.
when
14th of August 2020, Annexure
14th
B.
August 2020. Thereafter, petitioner has submitted a representation wide Annexure C to respondent number 3 for processing for a pension paper, pension to that petitioner. So far, no action has been taken. Hence, the petitioner is before this court. Petitioner has submitted a representation on 19th August 2020 for sanction of the family pension to her. No, she
claimant
lost her.
was- It's not as
Who is that
straightforward
other
as that, my lords. There is another claimant who is a wife. So 3 months'
Who is
time may be
other-
given.
May I just clarify, my lords? Either my learned friend represents the respondent 1 or 2 or does not represent.
Yes, no,
If the app-
if there is a 2 claims, she is not entitled, reject it. You need not.
So
conduct
some
any
time may be
trial.
given,
And
my
I have
lords, that
made
it
the
might be
respondent number 4. I
considered
have made
carefully.
Respondent number 4 a party She has not
Eight-
appeared.
eight
I have
weeks
no
from
objection
date
to
of-
the mandamus, my lord,
date
just
of-
3 months' time may be given.
Yes, two months' time is granted to comply from the date of receipt of copy of this. Yes.
Serial number 44, Muralidhar HM for
Right,
petitioner,
my lord.
connected matter, A. Mohammed Tai.
Yes, Mr. Muralidhar.
My lord's matter may be taken up tomorrow, my lord. Senior has left, my
Tomorrow.
lord.
Yes, at the request of counsel for the petitioner. Leave this matter after 2 weeks.
Serial
Yes.
number 45, Muralidhar KB for petitioner,
Pay
Manju
for
Bairal.
petition.
Yes, Mr.
Lord, this is a case where, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, who are working
Hmm.
or appointed in composite degree colleges, my lord, in 1991-92, my lord, in 1991-92, my lord, in later on, my lord, the composite degree colleges, my lord, came to be bifurcated
Hmm.
into degree colleges and PU colleges, my lord. What happened, my lord, after bifurcation, my lord, the lecturers, my lord, only have been taken back to degree colleges.
Hmm.
They were who were working in PU colleges, who were bifurcated and sent to PU colleges. Only those people were taken back to degree colleges. These non-teaching staff, my lord, have been left out by the government in not taking back them
Now,
to
where is that government order for bifurcation?
bifurcation. My lord, it's annexure B, my lord.
What is that order says?
Please,
Before that,
annexure
in
C,
this
say-
petition,
annexure
what
C
is
is
sought
that.
for, my lord, annexure W, my lord, 96.
Hmm.
May I read section 130, my lord?
One, 130 comes to my service conditions, my lord, if there is any appeal. Lord, it's a direction which is a policy decision, my lord, which the government has to take.
Hmm.
Wherein, my lord, government which has, my lord, annexure D may kindly be seen, my lord, page number 63.
Writ of
62.
certiorari quashing annexure W.
Also,
What is that W?
W, my
W is
lord, they say
passed.
that, my lord, there is no provision to, as we are working in PU annexure pen, W page number 96. my lord.
Appeal ಇದೆ.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇವರು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೂಚನಾ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿತ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು SJM ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಥಾನಪನ್ನ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡಿ ಅನುಮೋದನೆಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ನೀಡಲು ಸರಿಯಷ್ಟೇ. ಆದರೆ ಸದರಿ ನೌಕರರಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ವೇತನಾದಾನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿತ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವಿಲ್ಲ. It is very
No, where is that bifurcation rules? Even
bifurcation, my lord, kindly see annexure C,
if they filed an appeal,
please,
if there is no provision, even
Adhe.
direct will also say same thing. There
Definitely.
is no provision.
please. Bifurcation is annexure C, page number 51, my lord.
51.
1.
What is that rule says?
Lord, it is a bifurcation government order, my lord.
Hmm.
ಖಾಸಗಿ ಅನುದಾನಿತ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಂದ
Hmm.
ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Hmm.
Lord, what happened, my lord, typed copy I have produced as annexure 55. This provision, my lord, was made to bifurcate the degree colleges from the composite degree colleges and PO. ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Kindly see, my lord, thereafter, my lord, what the government
What
did.
about that employees, Mr.?
Kindly see, my lord, page number 63, 62 may kindly be seen, my lord. 62. This is a government order with regard to the employees.
63.
62, my lord.
Hmm.
May I read ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 62 ನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes.
63 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 62 ವಿಷಯ. ಖಾಸಗಿ ಅನುದಾನಿತ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಂದ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಬೋಧಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳ ವಿಂಗಡಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಷಯ ಇರೋದು ಇಬ್ರನ್ನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. But finally, government took the decision, Lord, that page number 63, only with regard to teachers. ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ವಿವರಿಸಿರುವಂತೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿತ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಂದ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರನ್ನು ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಅವರ ಲೀನ್ ಇಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ, ಮರಣ, ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಮತ್ತಿತರ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯಭಾರ ಉಂಟಾದಾಗ ಸದರಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರನ್ನು ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠತೆಯ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುವುದು ಎಂದು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ. After bifurcation, they were kept in the PU colleges temporarily, keeping their lane in the degree colleges only. So far as teachers are concerned, only when the post becomes vacant in the degree colleges, they will be taken back to degree colleges. This had to be done to us also.
Now,
Without
what is
doing
the
that to us,
position of this non-teaching staff, Mr.?
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಸಹ in fact addressed a letter to the government, Lord. Several times government has addressed a letter. Kindly see annexure M, Lord, page number 75. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ my lord.
75 ಏನಿದೆ?
75 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಕಮಿಷನರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ವಿಷಯನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮೇ ರೀಡ್ my lord.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3ನೇ ಪ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇ ರೀಡ್, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮು. ಈ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳನ್ನು ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖವನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ರೂಪಿಕೆಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಿಯರಾದ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪದವಿ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಂತರ ಉಳಿಯುವ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯನ್ನು ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ತದನಂತರ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 2ರಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಅನುದಾನಿತ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಡ್ತಿಯ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಲಾಗುವುದರಿಂದ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಶಿಫಾರಸಾದ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಮಂಡಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಶಿಫಾರಸಾದ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಮನವಿಗಳು ಸ್ವೀಕೃತ ಆಗುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸದರಿ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪದವಿ ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮರು ಹಂಚಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲವಾದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬಡ್ತಿಗೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 1ರ ಅನ್ವಯ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಲಮಿತಿ, ವೇತನ ಬಡ್ತಿ, ಸ್ವಯಂಚಾಲಿತ ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಬಡ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ವೇತನ ಬಡ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 3ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪತ್ರದನ್ವಯ ಈ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಿಂಚಣಿಯನ್ನು ಸಹ ಈ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದಲೇ ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಿರುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ವಯೋನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯ ಕೊರತೆ ಉಂಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಶಿಫಾರಸಾದ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯನಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಗೆ ಮರು ಹಂಚಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಡ್ತಿ ಅನುಮೋದಿಸುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುಮತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೋಧಕೇತರನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Government is not doing anything on this regard.
What is the decision you have taken?
Nothing has been done on this, my lord.
Now that, what is that non-teaching staffs are doing now?
They are in PU colleges.
They are in PU.
They are in PU colleges. They had to be colleges, and what happened even worse than
Mister, when you have passed this government order wide annexure
D.
62 page,
Please,
annexure D, why can't you take the decision in respect of non-teaching staff?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
Where they will
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
go now?
ಬೇಕಾಸಲ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಬೇಕಾಸಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಲೆಟರ್ನ.
Yes, Mister.
Lord, may I read rule 8, my lord?
Of which rule?
Lord,
ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ collegiate education.
ಹೌದು.
What is that rule says, Mister?
Lord, before that, my lord, I will read rule 30. Sign ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್
File ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
Yes. You see that clarify what is the position of that non-teaching staffs.
Okay.
Because when you have issued a government order in respect of the teaching staff, you should have clarified.
Different government education has taken time, my lord, at page 100 and different government education has taken time, my lord, at page 111.
This is a regularization matter, my lord.
111.
I will
Let to
file an
find out
objection.
the government order, my lord, dated 3/8/1995, page 111.
Yes.
To clarify, my lord, so that this Rojipura has taken, my lord, and twice the adjournment. 111 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ
Yes.
ಹಾಗೂ ಸದರಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ನೌಕರರು ದಿನಾಂಕ 3/8/95 ಆದೇಶ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ದಿನಾಂಕದಿಂದ ದಿನಗೂಲಿ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ what is this order
25ರ ಆದೇಶ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ what is that 38/1995 order?
And page 109 is the government order. Pursuant to that, my lord, the municipality has issued this endorsement.
Oh yes, where is that government?
My lord, that is 109.
109.
My lord, ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದ ರಿಟ್ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಪ್ರಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ನೀಡಲು ರೀತಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಕಳಿಸಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಪೌರಾಡಳಿತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿವರು ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಆದೇಶ ರೀತಿ ಸೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಜ್ಞಾಪನವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಪೌರಾಡಳಿತ ನಗರಸಭೆಯವರ ಅನೆಕ್ಷರ್ ಪತ್ರ 1/1/85 ಕೆಲಸ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ನೌಕರನ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆದೇಶ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೋನ್ಸೋರಂತೆ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಲಾದ ಸೂಪರ್ನಿಮರ್ ಹುದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯಂಗೊಳಿಸಲಾದ ಆದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದೇಶವು ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನೌಕರರ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನದ ಆದೇಶ ನಂಬರ್ 9/10ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ನಗರಸಭೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುವ ಪೌರಕಾರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಆರ್ಧಾನ ನೇಮಕ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ನೌಕರರು ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಆದೇಶ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ದಿನಾಂಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಗೂಲಿ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಆದೇಶ ರೀತಿ ನೌಕರರನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲು ಅಥವಾ ಹಂಗಾಮಿಯಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕ ಮಾಡಿದ 16/4/80 ಸದರಿ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲು ಕಾಯಂಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗ ಸೇವಾಲಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲು ನೇಮಳ ಅವಕಾಶವಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಹಿಂಬಾರ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. My lord, earlier this court, your lordship, my lord, after perusing all the documents produced, my lord, from day one, this honorable court directed, my lord, page 81.
Yes.
Page 81. This is, my lord, I have come before this court. My lord, this court.
Yes.
Page 81. This is, my lord, I have come before this court. My lord, this court. And, this is the page 83, my lord.
Yes.
Short grievance of the petitioner who happens to Pauri Karmikas of the fourth response to the municipal council is then again is non-consideration of time for regulation, though he is supported by a recommendation dated 22/12/95 and 12/96 by annexure JLS submitted respectively by the chief officer of the CMC. They also submitted all the appointment on compassion. The learned additional government advocate so and so having initially opposed the writ petition, banking upon the decision of the apex court in so and so, now submits that if a reasonable time is granted and the petitioner do cooperate in furnishing necessary information document, their grievances would be duly looked into and keeping in view of the legal position. This is a fair gesture coming from the official respondent. The so and so, after going through the petition.
Now, which is that government order which says if they are not working as on 3/8/1995, they cannot be regularized.
ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು 3 times ತಗೊಂಡು ಟೈಮ್
That is why that it has been, because this municipality has issued an endorsement on the basis of your endorsement.
The municipality has recommended our cases, my lord. That were
Now their government has rejected, municipality has issued an endorsement.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸನ್ನ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ they have sent a recommendation at page 66.
But government has rejected it.
And my lord,
they have communicated that order. Yes, government advocate praised finally 2 weeks time to file objection as a last chance. 2 weeks time is granted. Yes, we file that objection.
Bill number 47, Javed S for petitioner, BL Sanju.
The promotion has been held stating that there is a criminal proceeding pending before against me, my lords. There is a covered by judgment, my lords.
Annexure L, what is that L?
Annexure L has issued by the respondent stating that my promotion has been kept in a sealed cover, my lords.
Why?
Until the disposal of the criminal proceedings, my lord. But I have exonerated in department inquiry, my lords.
What about the criminal case? Criminal case.
Criminal proceeding is pending, my lords.
Is it convicted?
No, but still it's evidence has not been started.
What is the judgment you are relying? Yes, Mr. Pendency of the criminal case, unless it is convicted, you can't kept in seal cover.
Covered, that is what they said.
Yes. We'll
Two
quash that
judgments of coordinate bench and division bench, my lords.
Yes.
Internal page number 5, my lords. Order operative order, my lords.
Page number?
5, my lords, in single bench order, my lords.
Single judge.
Single bench order. Writ of mandamus is issued directing the respondent KPTCL to include the name of the petitioner in the list of promotion for the post of accounts.
Paragraph you are reading.
My lords, order, my lords, operative order, my lords.
Operative order.
Operative order, page number 5. Roman 2, my lords.
Yes.
Writ of mandamus is issued directing the respondent KPTCL to include the name of the petitioner in the list of promotion for the post of accounts officer with effect from so and so, and consider the case of the
But
petitioner
here
for
they
promotion
have kept it under sealed cover.
I have kept
Sealed
it.
They have to direct it to open the sealed
open the
cover.
sealed
That's all.
cover, please. my lords.
Yes.
And to
We have-
consider for promotion. my lords.
Where is that reasoning in that sealed cover?
Annexurial, page number 92, my lords.
Yes.
Third paragraph, my lords. ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಮೊಕದ್ದಮೆ ಇಲಾಖೆ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದ್ದುದರಿಂದ ನಿಗಮಿತದ ನಡೆದ ಪದೋದನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂವಿಧಿಸಿದ ಸಭೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಹತೆಯನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೊಯನ್ನು ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ರ ಅನ್ವರ್ಥ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಲ ಲೋಕಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
Yes, third. Learned counsel for the, in this writ petition, petitioner called in question while he was in service.
Please, my lords.
Huh?
I'm still in service, my lords.
While he was in service, when he was working as a junior engineer, the departmental inquiry has been initiated. What is the criminal case?
Some misappropriation in the meters, my lord, which has been allotted to the.
Now, where is that criminal case?
Criminal case is not filed, my lord, but in
What is that?
the synopsis,
CC
it is there.
Criminal proceedings.
Synopsis, para 3.
Criminal case has been registered against
Crime number
petitioner in FIR
23.
in crime number 23 of 2010 under 408, 409, 420, 465, 477 AF IPC. And also initiated the departmental inquiry.
Please, my lords.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that in departmental inquiry, petitioner has been exonerated. In the criminal case 12,
Please, my lords. New number
230 of 2012, in the file of ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ? ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡಿ.
Please, my lords.
This court, in similar circumstances, division bench of this court in similar circumstances, following the judgment of apex court in case of state of Punjab and others versus Chamanlal Goyal, held that delayed criminal proceedings, court shall have to balance the situation and issue appropriate direction. Accordingly, directed that respondent to consider the case of the petitioner. In view of judgment of this court in writ petition number so and so and writ appeal so and so, the above writ petition is allowed. The impugned endorsement annexure K is quashed. The respondent is directed Yes, we'll have, it. Yes. Yes, we'll have, it. Yes. At the request, none appear for the respondent number one.
I appeal for respondent.
Respondent number three.
Two, my lord.
You are for two, three.
Please,
Three, he wants to distinguish that there are other judgments also.
please,
Venkatesh, let him,
Please.
yes,
please.
is this matter of 2 weeks,
Specific date may be given, my lord.
15th October.
Bill number 50, Shivaraju MK for petitioner, Nagaya.
The petitioner is
Yes.
pertaining to the weightage of the proportionate service weightage, my lord. The identical matter, division bench of the Honorable Court and also Supreme Court was confirmed the order of the, produced the Supreme Court order also, my lord.
Yes, Mr. What is this?
My lord, the Supreme Court is confirmed the division bench order, my lord. Only issue is, my lord, they have not given the representation. And some of the petitioners give a representation saying that the kindly page number 103 in the representation is given by the petitioner. 103 typed copy and
L representation
representation annexure L, my lord, 100 page number. The typed copy at page number 101.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಮೇಲ್ಕಾಣದ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುರಾಧ ತಂದೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕ ಸೋಣ್ ಅವರು 3/8/2007 ರಿಂದ 33/2010 ಮೊರಾರ್ಜಿ ದೇಸಾಯಿ ಮಾದರಿ ಶಾತೆ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದು 24/7/2011 27/11/2011 ನಡೆಸಿದ ಮೊರಾರ್ಜಿ ದೇಸಾಯಿ ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಏಕಲವ್ಯ ಶಾಲೆಗಳ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಹಾಜರಾಗಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ನೋಂದಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೋಣ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಾಶದಂತೆ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸೇವೆಗೆ 15 ಕೃಪಾಂಕ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಶೇಕಡ 68% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತಿಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಪಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಟಿ ನಾಯಕ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಶೇಕಡ
ಯಾವುದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನಕ್ಷರ್
100 ಪೇಜ್ 101
typed copy, my lord.
typed copy.
It is in respect of which petitioner?
First petitioner is
What
concerned.
about that other petitioners?
Other petitioners ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ sir.
103 typed copy at
ಓದಿ
104.
ಅದರ್ petitioner ಓದಿ
104, my lord. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಂಡ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಆದ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ 2007 ರಿಂದ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ details ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
2010ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆದೇಶದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ನಂಬರ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ದಾವೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯವು ಇವರುಗಳ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಜರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸೂಚಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, Mr.
Representation.
ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನೆಕ್ಷರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 105
ಅನೆಕ್ಷರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಕ್ನಾಲೆಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಯು
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ವಿತ್ ಅನೆಕ್ಷರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್.
Yes,
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್.
No, my lord, there is no.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then I will dismiss it.
Sure.
There is no disclosed proper. Yes. If I objection.
Let them give the representation, we will consider the representation.
No, he don't want to give, you want to argue
Please.
on that, let him.
Please.
At the request of counsel for respondent, 2 weeks time is granted to file objection.
Much of.
Bill number for petitioner, Rajat S.
Yes, my lord, where it's a third round of litigation, where non-teaching staff of this Mandya University, after having served for 2.5 years, my lord, have been in this honorable court. For the same reason, my lord, matter was directed to be considered by the state government, which has rejected on the by giving the very same reason.
On what reason you have been terminated from the service?
My lord, they say, my lord, it was a new university, and at that point of time, my lord, there was no syndicates, there was no sanction board except vice chancellor, my lord, nobody, special officer, nobody was there. These appointments are made by the special officer, my lord, in the year 2019. Then, my lord, there was a direction from the government to terminate the services to stay their appointment order. At that point of, my lord, I approached this honorable court, and this honorable court is only, they only say stay, they have not removed you from service.
Yes.
Then they said there was a direction to issue to the state government.